Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capability, and comes equipped with the XLT Black Appearance Plus package, the bed utility package, as well as the tow and haul package. Taking a look, we do have mirror park sensing. You got that tow hitch right there, backup camera, and moving to the front, we do have two gripped running boards. We do have a side view camera, and we do have blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing, two tow hooks. We have a block heater just back there, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space. We got 2 cup holders right there, a 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 right there. And of course, if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space. We got our parking brake right there, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. And we do have storage on each side right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 8.7 kilometers. Taking a look at our steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle for your menu, phone, and media. Volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. For your main menu, didn't mean to do that. We do have My View, Trip and Feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking over here, we do have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift. It's also collapsible with your speed adjusters just on the side. We have plenty of storage there, as well as cup holders. Plenty of storage there, USB and USB-C. We also have a nice leather-wrapped center console, and opening it up, you do get a fair bit of storage with 2 USB-Cs down there. We have our drive modes, rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there, as well as there. We have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of your vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. We also have storage above, and we do have a nice rear window opener. Now looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities. You got that Wi-Fi hotspot, your phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, so on and so forth. Any apps that you may have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your settings, navigation, connectivity, so on and so forth, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA95693, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.